AI-generated art has never been this advanced. MidJourney V7 brings stunning realism, sharper details, and better lighting, making AI art look more human than ever. From hyper-realistic portraits to surreal fantasy worlds, this tool transforms simple text prompts into breathtaking visuals. Just type a description, and MidJourney instantly creates high-quality images. Compared to DALL-E 3 and Stable Diffusion, it offers richer textures and more refined lighting. Will AI replace artists, or is it the ultimate creative tool? The future of AI art is unfolding. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.